Hey guys, what's up? This is Swift here, and today I have a quick little tip for you, for all you gaming fans out there. This is regarding the thumbsticks of controllers. As you can see here, this here is a rubber grip here that I've bought off eBay, and this can come very handy. And in what ways? Because we all know that these grips are the ones that are gonna wear out the fastest, because we use them for almost everything, for movement, especially for this, all kinds of games we use this for movement, especially for FIFA, for example. I use this for the moving, and you're gonna have caused lots of friction, and the wear and tear is going to be there, therefore it's going to be damaged. As you can see here, this is my spoiled thumb grip here, and this is what happens when you play too much games, and it just breaks off, as you can see. So it came down. So what you can do, instead of replacing the whole controller, you can just buy one of these thumb grips here, and this will help you just have a brand new thumb grip here, and your analog sticks will work as if it's brand new. Now there are more expensive solutions out there, but generally I don't believe they're going to help much. This here will just provide the same friction and the same grip that the default grips have, and that will be sufficient enough. So if you're gonna look, all these grips come in different sizes, and you can see here, just focus a bit here. Yeah, it comes in different colors, and there are different types here, and you can just find them off eBay and just purchase them. This costs about, like, for me, this whole pack here, a pack of I believe it's 5 sets. Yes, there's 5 sets, and it costs about $8.90 US, so it's not expensive at all. So it's about $1.80 perhaps for one set of thumb grips. This, compared to a brand new controller, is very much cheaper. So you can see here, it's very easy. It's just a slip-on type of mechanism here. So for example, if your grip comes out here, and all you have to do is just plug out the grip, and then you just have to slip it on. That's all. That's all there is to it, and it's going to give you the same feel as the previous one. And this little dents here, these are the protrusions, do help a little bit more for the friction part of the controller. So unless the controller is spoiled in the buttons, which this is not, so as you can see, all the buttons are still working as perfectly fine, and only the analog grip here, the analog sticks are slightly damaged. You can just change the sticks here. And for example, you can see here I have one more worn out controller here, rather dirty as well. This controller here, the buttons here, as you can see, I'm not sure if you can tell off video, but it's really it's spoiled. There's no feedback really on this button, and it just goes haywire. And if this happens, there are ways to change the whole button itself, but I don't recommend it, because it's not really worth the time and effort. So if that's the case, you just have to buy a new controller. But of course, if it's just a thumb grip like this, just slip it on, and you have a brand new analog stick, and it feels really good as well. So yeah, this is just a quick little tip for you guys, and you can find all of these analog thumb grips off eBay, and they work great.